Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -6. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, we're talking about a rational function. Rational functions consist of numerators and the denominators. And the vertical asymptote is all about the denominator. And in the denominator, we must have an expression when we make it equal to 0 and solve it for x. That's going to give us -6, which is x plus 6. So again, x plus 6 when you make it equal to 0. And when you solve for x, we're supposed to take away 6 from both sides. 0 minus 6 becomes -6. So as it indicated in the given question, denominator must have x plus 6 in it. So in the choice A, we have x plus 6, and these cancels each other out. And the final version is x minus 3 over x plus 6. This must be the answer then we're looking for. In the choice B, we don't have x plus 6 in the denominator. In the choice C, we don't have x minus c again in the denominator. In the choice D, we don't have x plus 6 in the denominator. I said it wrong, the choice B and C. We're looking for x plus 6. In the denominator, in the choice D, we have x minus 6, but we were looking for x plus 6, remember? That's why choice D is not the correct answer again. So, this is how you solve this type of questions, and the correct answer is again choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.